down.
Блять! Молодец!
Что молодец-то? А ты почему гонишь-то одновременно с другими автомобилями? Тут одна полоса движения.
Вот там знак какой стоит?
И что?
Появляются новые издательства. Рынок перенасыщен, говорит директор компании.
Ой, ёбаный в рот, бля.
Буквально пару лет назад
Пиздец.
это была прям золотая жила. И на данный момент сейчас...
Блять, на ровном...
Break on.
Please do not attempt to touch me or my property unless there's been no crime committed, officer.
Alright, what we need to do is we need to find your license. We need your license, ma'am.
I'm not suspected of committing a crime.
Yes,
And unless
ma'am.
there is no crime,
Yes, ma'am.
I do not have to identify myself.
Ma'am, please please roll down your window and let us have your license.
I'm not.
Fine.
What crime am I being suspected
You
of
can go
committing?
for a traffic violation of a break.
Traffic infractions are not crimes according to People versus Battle.
Ma'am, please open your window.
What crime am I being suspected of committing?
Ma'am, if you don't open your window, I'm gonna break your window.
What crime am I being suspected of committing? They're attempting to break my windows. They're attempting to break my windows, and there is no crime.
Give me your license.
There has been no crime committed According to People versus Battle, traffic infractions are not crimes. Please do not attempt to assault me or my property.
Open the door so we don't have to break the
Officer,
window.
please do not touch my property or me if there's been no crime committed. They're about to bust the window. They're about to bust the window. They're about to bust the windows. They're about to bust the windows. There's been no crime committed here. Officer E. Parker, Officer C. Huffman, and Officer T. Webster. There has been no crime committed. There's been no crime committed. Please do not touch my property, ma'am, if there's been no crime committed. Please do not touch my property, ma'am. There's been no crime committed. They're damaging the property, and this isn't even my property. Oh my God! Oh my God, I got glass in my eyes!
So this woman here won't move, and there's 3 cars waiting to move down this road, including myself. You're still not going to move? You're still not moving? She won't move.
Why won't you move?
T792
Move your car
MTW.
now, or I'll get you nicked and get your car nicked.
The police is coming anyway. It's not that. I'm not reversing out of the taxi, darling. Because the taxi
Someone can watch you reverse now.
wasn't even fucking there.
You're on the wrong side. I have right away. Now I'm a police officer. I'm asking you nicely, please move. Someone will watch you. This gentleman will watch you out on that road. Do not block this
Someone
road.
will watch us out on the road.
Someone will watch you out on the road.
Right, okay. Someone's going to watch us. We'll go, yeah?
That gentleman there will watch you.
Right,
Can you watch you, mate?
thank you.
Hello? Could you watch you out the road?
No problem. The massive parking space. You get a lorry in there. You get a lorry in both of them parking spaces. Is the old bill? So now nobody can move because we've got old bill here now.
No need for you to just stay there.
Hello.
You're right.